Welcome to your dream getaway in Washington, where luxury meets natural beauty. Welcome to Wander Orcas Island. This exquisite home truly gives you a secluded retreat nestled amidst the island's lush landscapes, directly overlooking the waters of the Pacific Ocean, with clear sight lines of Mount Baker, the Cascade Mountain range, the Olympic Mountain range, and on select occasions, particularly at sunrise or sunset, Mount Rainier can be sighted 220 miles away. I'm Frankie, and I'm gonna take you around this contemporary home here that has 3 bedrooms, comfortably sleeping up to 6, 2.5 bathrooms, amazing views, and a fire pit. The first thing you will notice is the very unique cantilever design of the home that truly gives you the sensation of floating above the beautiful landscape. Mixed with the mountaintop location, this masterpiece of architecture really gives you an elevated experience both figuratively and metaphorically. Due to the remote location and the unique architecture of Wander Orcas Island, this home cannot accommodate children under the age of 12. Are you ready to go head on inside? Let's go take a look. You're first gonna step into our main space where our kitchen and living room meet into one, giving you a very sleek and spacious feel. The living room has high, expansive ceilings. The whole entire space is furnished with modern Italian furniture, so you can experience some really unique pieces, such as your beautiful Chase couch here, perfect to just lounge and read a book. And the gorgeous swivel chairs here, so you can stare right on out to the beautiful view and then turn right back around to your conversation. How neat is that? And speaking of the view, you will notice the floor-to-ceiling windows all along the wall here, framing breathtaking vistas of the Pacific Ocean and the mountainscape. I mean, this view is absolutely amazing. This is exactly what you want to see when you're staying here on Orcas Island. Normally, you have to hike up to the top of a mountain to see something like this, but you have access to it 24/7 right from your Wander house. But the heart of the living room is your gas fireplace, adding warmth and comfort into the whole entire space. This is perfect during the colder months and colder nights, but I mean, you can use this any time of the year here in Washington, but just imagine staying here in the wintertime, cozied up next to the fire with a nice cup of hot cocoa and staring on out to the magical snow flurries. With a large flat screen smart TV, a universal remote, and a high-end sound system, this space gives you a theater-like experience so you can enjoy some of your favorite movies and TV shows. But my favorite feature about the living room is the sleek leather chairs that completely recline, that just enhances so much comfort, perfect for TV viewing or perhaps a quick cat nap. We also have plenty of board games and puzzles for you as well to enjoy with your friends and family. And then walking to the center of the living room, you will spot a library table perfect for any moment of inspiration with your laptop or perhaps a notebook. And that's one thing I really like about this house. I think it's absolutely perfect for a writer's retreat or any type of remote work. You can just sit here for hours comfortably gazing out to the views for inspiration while at work, spreading out whatever it is that you are working on while enjoying the high-speed fiber connection. And this is also the perfect spot for a video call. And then stepping right on into our chef's kitchen that's very spacious with darker gray cabinetry that contrasts against light gray backsplashes and lighter countertops. And I really love the tones of the kitchen here. I think it absolutely just makes it pop. You have high-end stainless steel appliances such as a separate wine cooler. We have cookware, bar glasses, dishware, coffee makers, and anything you need to cook yourself a gourmet meal. But if you're looking for a break in cooking, when you're staying at a Wander, you can have our Wander concierge recommend the best private chefs in the area to come to the house and cook for you and your guests. Now, whenever you're ready to enjoy your wonderful meals, we have a couple different spots you can sit at. We have our very unique kitchen island dining table combo here. The waterfall table in the kitchen island here can seat 5, and then right on next to that, we have our bar height island that has has stools that seat 3, or you can step right on over to the living room library table that has enough seating for 6. Or if you're looking to dine al fresco, we have a grill located on our main deck, perfect for a barbecue or outdoor cooking, and a round table that seats 6 if you are really craving some fresh air along with your cuisine. One amazing key feature about this house is that you have in-floor radiant heating all the way throughout the space with Nest thermostats in every single room, so don't worry, you're gonna stay nice and toasty. On one side of the house, we have the primary bedroom suite. Let's go take a look. This bedroom is a peaceful sanctuary within itself. You have floor-to-ceiling windows in here that just flood the whole room with natural light and amazing views you can get right from your plush king-size bed. So you can just wake on up to these gorgeous sight lines and then just step right on out onto the main deck. I mean, that is just gonna start your day off just right, especially with a morning cup of coffee in hand. This room also features a separate seating area with armchairs, a couch, and a beautiful glass coffee table that's paired with a gas fireplace. And then above the fireplace, you will spot a flat screen TV with a Sonos soundbar. In every Wander bedroom, we prioritize your comfort. We want you to sleep better here than you do in your very own home. So we use cutting-edge sleep technology to make sure you wake up fully energized and refreshed. Our smart mattresses allow you to personalize your comfort from plush to firm depending on your taste so that you get the best night's sleep of your life. So great, right? And then as an added bonus, we have wireless phone chargers next to every single one of the beds so you don't have to fret if you forgot to pack your own. The primary bathroom is so sophisticated. You have a separate island featuring a double sink vanity along with a wooden Buddha accompanying you, and you have a large walk-in rainfall shower with dark tiling. But the best part about this bathroom is your extra large soaking porcelain tub right next to a large paned window, so you can just enjoy the gorgeous nature outside while you're indulging in a warm soak with a nice glass of wine in hand. I mean, how romantic does that sound? In every Wander bathroom, you will find high-end amenities like shampoos, body washes, and conditioners, and these are all hand-picked to ensure the highest level of quality. You're also gonna find plush towels, robes, and slippers that we provide. And at every single Wander house, I always rush to put on my Wander robe. It's the best part of every single one of my stays. And then as you're exiting the primary suite, you're gonna pass a gorgeously decorated half bathroom. As you are enjoying this beautiful mountaintop home, you will notice the interior design is carefully curated and always reflects the location that the house is in. Since Orcas Island is known for its spectacular scenery, all of the decor and materials in this house, you'll even see some really cool Asian-inspired artifacts that are so amazing to just walk around and admire. These all reflect that, giving you a fully immersed vacation experience. And now we're gonna make our way to the other end of the house to take a look at the 2 additional bedrooms. You have a bedroom with a king-size mattress paired with a reclining chair in the corner here, perfect for gazing out the beautiful windows or reading a book. And then you have your own private patio access to get a taste of those gorgeous island views. And then you can make your way on through the shared guest bath here that features Jack and Jill sink vanities with a gorgeous view of the ocean and the surrounding landscapes, as well as a rainfall shower. Into our final bedroom that has a queen-size bed, beautiful art on the walls, and floor-to-ceiling windows letting in stunning natural light. And then right outside both of those bedrooms, you have a washer and dryer unit, which is so convenient when you're on vacation, so you can go home with some fresh, clean clothes. Now that's the interior of this breathtaking home here, but here are some more features that you should know about that will enhance your vacation. Step onto the main deck that gives you an outdoor escape full of serenity and seclusion. There is nothing better than hanging out on these plush chairs here next to an expansive fire pit directly overlooking the Pacific Ocean ocean, the mountain tops, the islands, the lush forests full of dancing eagles, and the big sky featuring a moon that casts so many characters on the crystal clear waters all throughout the night and into the early morning. And you can enjoy that along with the tranquil nature sounds, creating a soothing backdrop. We have a 2-car garage here at Wander Orcas Island and plenty of space for you and your party. Are you feeling overwhelmed with what to do during your stay? Well, we can help you out. We have a travel guide you can watch right after this with a ton of recommendations on what to do, see, and eat within this area. But if you're looking for more specific help, you can contact our Wander concierge at the numbers shown here on the screen anytime with questions. Thank you for joining me at Wander Orcas Island. This is the perfect getaway for anyone seeking serenity, adventure, and the ultimate in island living. With our house tour complete, we're gonna go ahead and explore the surrounding area because there is a ton to do and see here. You can check out our travel guide next to learn all about it. We can't wait to welcome you here in Washington. See you soon.